And the race is on. Empire Maker, fast to begin, rushing up is Incorruptible. Reclamador rushing up in the middle. Cyclops together with Smarty Fans by Darrell. Copied by and by Darrell is Gifted Talent, Words of Joy, and Wow Wow West is running at the tail of the field. Cyclops and Smarty Fans down on the inside. Incorruptible racing from the outside and racing in for this Empire Maker. Words of Joy also rushing up. Master's Degree rounding the far turn. Cyclops is Smarty Fans. Incorruptible racing from the outside. Words of Joy. Wow Wow West racing from the outside as they race the final corner. Cyclops, and on the outside is Incorruptible, and Wow Wow West on the further outside, and moving up Cyclops in the middle. Empire Maker, Reclamador. It's now Wow Wow West and Incorruptible. Incorruptible, Wow Wow West, Wow Wow West, and finally Wow Wow West. Incorruptible, Words of Joy, Smarty Fans, Reclamador, Master's Degree, Empire Maker, Cyclops, copied by and gifted talent.